This video introduces how to configure service level agreements, or SLAs, in the ServiceNow Express system. An SLA defines an amount of time for a task to be completed, like resolving an incident or fulfilling a service catalog order. If the task isn't completed in that time, it's escalated to receive more attention. The system can even respond to escalated tasks automatically. For example, the system can send an email notification to inform a supervisor, or it can follow business rules to reassign the task to another person. You can define SLAs for lots of different tasks, like handling service catalog orders, problems, or changes. In this video, we're going to use the example of SLAs for managing incidents. Here, we've added the escalation field to the incidents list so that we can see the escalation level for each incident. To see the SLAs defined in the system, we navigate to the Service Level Agreements page. Here we see 4 SLAs for incidents, one for each incident priority level. Let's take a look at Priority 3. The Table field specifies which table the SLA applies to. You can choose from a variety of tables for different tasks. This SLA applies to the Incidents table. To define an SLA for service catalog tasks, you would choose Catalog Task, and so on. The Order field lets you specify an order number for the SLA. If more than one SLA is triggered for an incident, the one with the lowest order number takes precedence. The Calendar field lets you specify days and times when the SLA clock is ticking and when it's stopped. Here the clock is ticking from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can choose from a list of defined calendars. We'll see how to define a calendar a little later. The Conditions fields specify when the SLA is triggered. Here the SLA is triggered whenever the priority of the incident is 3. The Pause Conditions fields specify when the SLA clock pauses. In this SLA, the clock pauses when we're waiting for something we need in order to work on the incident, or when the incident is resolved or closed. The Escalation Intervals list specifies when the SLA is escalated. The higher the escalation level, the closer it is to the deadline and the more attention it should receive. In this SLA, the incident is escalated to moderate after 2 days have elapsed, to high after 4 more hours, and to overdue after 4 more hours. Together, those 3 intervals add up to the 3 business days required for this SLA. Remember, elapsed time only counts against the SLA during the specified calendar periods and when no pause conditions are in effect. Now let's see how to define a calendar. To do this, navigate to the Calendars list. Here we see the calendar for the SLA we were just looking at. To see how this works, let's define a new calendar. It'll be similar to the one that's already defined, but it'll be for a business that operates 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. The business is in London, so we choose the London time zone. We save our new calendar so we can define days and times. The Days tab shows the days and times when the SLA clock is to run. There aren't any days defined yet, so let's add one. First, we'll pick a day of the week, Monday. The start time is 9 a.m. and the end time is 5 p.m. And there's our first day and time. We would define Tuesday through Saturday the same way. When we're done, here's what the days list looks like. We can define holidays as well. The SLA clock stops during a holiday, even if it falls on a day that's included in the calendar. Let's add a holiday for New Year's Day. Next, we choose the date. Here's something important to remember. Each holiday you define applies only to a single year. That's because some holidays are observed on different dates from one year to the next. The weekly calendar remains in effect from one year to the next, but you need to define the holidays each year. New Year's Day is a good example. In 2017, it's observed on Monday, January 2nd. Next, we specify the start and end times. To include the entire day, we specify all zeros for both the start and end time. When we're done, New Year's Day appears in the holidays list. When we save our new calendar, the new calendar appears in the list. For more information, please consult our product documentation, videos, or blogs, or ask a question in the ServiceNow Express forums.